Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to upload product images in Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, how do we actually do this? So first things first is you need to go to shopify.com, log in into your account, and once logged in, we're now ready to upload our bulk images or product images. In this case, let's go ahead and go to our product pages here, and we want to open up one of the products that we have. Now, in this case, what we need to do next is we need to actually view the section that says media. In this case, go ahead and click on upload new. And from here, go to the folder where you want to get your images. For example, I want to get these images here. So in this case, typically you need to choose one of the images here. But the great thing about this pop-up here is you just need to hold one of the keys, because whenever you click one of the images here, it's just choosing one. Now in this case, just press and hold on your shift on your keyboard, and you should be able to select another image. In this case, I'll be also choosing the other image I have here. So in this case, alternatively, you could also choose control here. So in this case, when you actually hold shift, it's going to highlight everything that's going to actually go through. So since I press this first image here, it's going to also select all the images here. Now if you press and hold on control, it's now going to select the images that you only click. In this case, I'm going to select these 3 images here and just click on open. Now, as you can see, I'm able to upload those photos into my product here. In this case, again, remember, you just only need to hold and press either shift or control whenever you're choosing pictures, and you should be able to upload your media or your photos or product photos into your Shopify store. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.